Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. If your microphone isn't working in the NVIDIA app, follow the steps to fix it. First, check if your microphone is set as default device. Open sound settings in Windows, go to input and ensure your microphone isn't selected. Test it to confirm picking audio or not. Next, update your audio drivers. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click on your microphone and select Update Drivers. Search automatically for drivers. Then, click the NVIDIA app permissions. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and ensure the NVIDIA app has access to your microphone. Finally, verify the in-game settings. Open the NVIDIA app, navigate to audio settings and ensure the correct input device is selected. Adjust volume necessary. Restart your PC after applying these steps and your microphone should work in NVIDIA. Thank you for watching How to Wave. Like, share and subscribe for more fixes.